A very good evening to you. I'm Dwayne Burbick with your Business Day. The Florida Caribbean Cruise Association, FCCA, has renewed its commitment to help make Jamaica a demand destination for cruise passengers. The commitment comes as FCCA members visited the island to hear the development plans for the sector. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Jamaica hitting the reset button with cruise interests from the Florida Caribbean Cruise Association, FCCA, whose members have been in the country for the past 3 days.
This is a new beginning.
And one of the interesting things about this trip is that it feels like a marriage that's been in place for close to 50 years, and it feels like a renewing of vows.
Jamaica is our home.
The FCCA, which represents 19 cruise lines, visited the 3 main cruise ports in Jamaica, Ocho Rios, Falmouth, and Montego Bay. The visit concretizes development arrangements for the cruise sector, which the tourism minister wants to grow rapidly.
We told you that we wanted to increase cruise arrivals to 2.5 million over the next 4 years. I said 5 last year, so it's now 4.
Jamaica welcomed 1.7 million cruise passengers last year and wants to welcome close to 2 million this year. Mr. Bartlett says this will come with a commitment to ensure the guest experience is exceptional. The cruise interests say doing so will be key to maintaining Jamaica's marquee name in the cruise shipping industry.
People have high expectation, and it's all about delivering on those high expectations. Because if you've got a big gap between that marquee value and what our guests are seeing at the end of the day, that's when you get the disappointment, and that's when you get that reduced demand for what is the Jamaica products.
A destination management office is to be set up and an education program launched starting in Falmouth to get people to embrace and protect the cruise industry.
So we are inviting further discussions in port expansion and development, of course.
That means the new ports, already 3 new ones have been proposed, but no word yet on when they will be developed. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
CIBC First Caribbean has activated a host of its ABMs across the island to disperse both Jamaican and US dollars. The bank said its ABMs at hotels in Kingston, Montego Bay, Trelawney, Negril, and St. Mary have all been outfitted to supply the dual currency. In addition, it says certain ABMs in resort towns have also been upgraded to dual currency. The US dollar is selling for $128.72. The Canadian dollar costs $95.23. The pound sterling is selling for $159.68, while the euro sells for $138.27. Ready TV says it has now laid the groundwork to roll out its digital TV services. The company is setting up a headquarters in Portmore St. Catherine and is concretizing plans for that. Its directors were taken on a site tour of the facility where they were shown the services the company will offer. Ready TV is hoping to start rolling out its services in the next few weeks to customers. Its CEO, Chris Daring, says he is targeting the estimated 500,000 households which do not have cable service. Ready TV has already completed testing of its system in Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Catherine, St. Mary and Clarendon. Trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended today with the main JSE market index down more than 2,442 points to close at 223,609 points, while the junior market index lost 23. The winners of the day, they included 1834 Investments, Barita Investments, Cargo Handlers, ISP Finance, the JMB Group, NCB Financial Group, Pulse Investments and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Blue Power, Carb Cement, Darman Trading, Jamaican Teas, Knutsford Express, Lasco Manufacturing, Radio Jamaica, and Scotia Investments. And that's your Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.